Dubai is a vibrant city where modernity and tradition converge. Whether you're planning to explore its stunning attractions or visit friends and family, you'll likely need a Dubai visa. In this comprehensive tutorial, we will guide GCC residents through the step-by-step process of applying for a Dubai visa. First, it's important to understand the Dubai visa for GCC residents. This service allows foreigners residing in one of the GCC countries to be granted an entry visa to Dubai for a period not exceeding 30 days. This visa can be extended once. Now, let's go over the requirements you need to meet to apply for the Dubai visa. Your passport should have a minimum validity of 6 months. You should have a GCC residence permit with a minimum validity of 1 year. You'll need a passport-sized photo with white background. Keep in mind that your profession must be on the list of approved professions, though this list is not published on the official website. Generally, most non-labor type professions are approved. Now, let's walk through the step-by-step process to apply for your Dubai visa. The first step is to search on Google for GDRFA. You can access the website of the General Directorate of Residency and Foreign Affairs Dubai by clicking on that link. On the website, click on the Login button located at the top right. Click on the Individuals tab. If this is your first application, you need to click on Register Now. Select the Register with Email tab. Here, you should choose your username, which can be anything you like. Then, provide your first name, last name, email ID, birth date, and password. Confirm the password and click on Send OTP. You will receive the OTP on your email. Enter that OTP, accept the terms and conditions, and click on Register. Once you are registered, you can log in using the username and password. On the dashboard, click on Create New Application or Apply Now. If you are a new applicant, select New Applicant, then choose New GCC Entry Permit. There are other visa options, but in this case, you will be selecting GCC Entry Permit. Click on Apply and select GCC Residence since you are traveling as a resident. Now enter your residence number, which will be your QID number or Iqama number. Next, enter the issue date and the expiry date of your residence card. Provide the details of your trip. Select the port of arrival, keeping in mind that with this visa, you can only select a port in Dubai. Select the country you are arriving from. You can only arrive from a GCC country. If you select Qatar, you can see the ports in that country. You should also provide your travel dates. The flight booking reference number is optional. Next, you need to provide your GCC sponsor details. If you work for a company, select Establishment and provide your company's name. In the place of the sponsor's address, give your company's address. Next is the passport details. For passport type, select Normal. Provide your passport number and your country of nationality. If you have registered earlier, click on Search Data. If there is no data, you have to click on Enter manually. Once you do that, you will have the option to provide your full name, last name. The full name in Arabic will be automatically added. You can then provide your birth details, gender, passport details, etc. Next, provide your mother's name. The mother's name in Arabic will be automatically added. Add your marital status, religion, education, profession, language, etc. Note that most of these are for data collection only and will not affect your visa process. Next, provide your contact details. For the mobile number, you have to provide a UAE mobile number. You can use the number of any of your friends or relatives in the UAE. You should also provide the address where you will be staying in the UAE. This can be a residence address or a hotel address. Finally, provide your address and mobile number outside the UAE. Now, click on Continue. On the next page, upload your documents. The 3 mandatory documents are your passport size photo, the first and last pages of your passport, and your GCC residence card. The other page fields are not mandatory. For each document, the file size should be less than 500 kilobytes. After that, click on Continue, and you can proceed to the payment page. The total fee will be around 250 dirhams. Most applications are processed within 48 hours. So, you won't have to wait too long for your Dubai visa. After approval, your Dubai visa will be sent to your email address. Remember to have all your required documents ready and follow the steps we've outlined here. Safe travels and enjoy your time in Dubai. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe Doha Guides for more informative content.